if you've got emails going to spam and you'd like to have them not go to spam, whether they haven't been received yet or they have, I'm going to show you both ways to make sure that they get into your inbox and not into your spam. Let's check it out. So we're in Gmail here. What we want to do is search for the email that we are having go into spam automatically. And what we want to do is, for example, we want to just type it in there. Okay, so once you type it in, you'll actually be able to go to the right hand side. There'll be a show search options here. Okay, so here what you can do is you can actually add a from and a to, but what we want is we want to actually use this email address over here. Okay, so let's go in over here and you'll see this is the email address. Now, of course, this is just an example. So we want to go in here and it's going to come from this email address, and you want to go down here and click on create filter. Here there are two things that you need to do. First of all, the never send it to spam needs to be on, and then also the last one is also apply filter to matching conversations. So this could be also from the same company but a different email address. So for example, support at OKX and then a no reply at OKX. So those are two different email addresses, but they have seen that they're coming from the same user. All you need to do now is click on create filter. You'll see now over here, it will not be applied to old conversations in your spam or your bin. And then once you click on create filter, this will happen to all of your emails that are coming in. Okay, so you can actually go to spam over here, and if you have a spam email, for example, let's just move this to spam. So let's just put it in over there. And if we go in here, we can right click on here and you can click on not spam. This will essentially send it back to your inbox. And there you go. That's what you can do with your previous emails as well as your emails that will still be coming to your email account.